Hey bro, how are you able to get such high salary offers from top companies just after graduation?
Bro, it's simple. I completed the UI UX training from Weaversafe Academy. During the internship part, their design experts guided me in building an impactful portfolio. I got to learn the UX process in detail brainstorming, user research, wireframing, prototyping, and then the UI design to create user friendly interfaces. I also got skilled in every tools that the industries are working with. It was a power packed journey with the impactful practice. Best part, they provide 100% placement assistance.
And what about the cost?
Fees are very affordable. You can also avail no cost EMI.
Hmm.
Listen, they also offer a free demo class. You can attend and check it for yourself. If you also want a high package salary after graduation, join Weaversafe Academy's UI UX course today.